Hello YouTube, and welcome back to Useapalooza with me, the Inconsistent Crafter. Today we're going to be working on our junk journal. Now this is something I've already started and already filled out and stuff, but there's plenty of room for more crap. So basically I just take all the foodstuffs I like. See how this one just came right out? So it needs to be glued in better because I think it was just glue stick. And I mean, it's nothing like amazing, but it's just some fun little project. Okay, so you know the drill. Enjoy. This one is super short, but this is just a little junk food journal that I made. And really it's kind of like a nod to my grandma who used to save all the candy wrappers and use them as bookmarks. So yeah. So I put in these Taco Bell gift cards. Is it changed? There we go. And that was already in there. But yeah, it's just got like random junk food wrappers in it. Some of them have like pockets I can put crap in if I want. Like this one is a whole bag. I did wipe it out with an antibacterial wipe this time. And it's just got random crap I like to eat. I like this one. So I put the whole thing in here. Now I gotta bleep out the effing. Great. Anyway. So, yeah. This one didn't take a whole lot of effort or anything. I did paint some backgrounds, but that shit was already done. And I just added in this crap. I actually really like, where is it? As you see, I really like these because I have 2 pages of those. These are so freaking good, but they're like impossible to find anymore. And this, I love this page a lot. It's my favorites. I just did this one on video, you saw it. But I made this one kind of into a little bird thing. I like it. Anyway, that's the end of that one. Thanks for watching this super short episode of Useapalooza with the Inconsistent Crafter. And we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.